It is January 24th. Today, James is 2 months old. Hi, baby man. He is so sweet. Of course, he's doing a whole show on his changing pad, his favorite place. There's his kiki legs. Cute, cute, cute little rolls in his thighs. Hi. Oh, there's a good yawn. Yeah. Can I see some cute things? Hi there. Hi there. Hi there. You're so big. Oh my gosh, look at those arms. Oh, they are going as fast as can be. Oh, the legs are going and the arms. Yeah. Let's look at how pretty your eyes are. Hi. Hi. Oh, yes, so strong. Do you want to show how you can suck on your hand? Yeah. Oh, there we go. He used to be able to find his hand kind of by accident, but in the last few days it seems like he brings it up to his mouth more on purpose and more often. Oh, so excited that it's his 2-month birthday. So excited. Happy birthday, love. Happy birthday.